Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gordon Ramsay's bacon jam. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of good quality smoked bacon, 2 large onions, and a few key liquids. This recipe creates a rich, savory, and slightly sweet condiment perfect for many dishes. It's a fantastic way to elevate your cooking with minimal effort, delivering incredible flavor. Start by cooking your bacon until it's beautifully crispy. Once done, remove the bacon and drain off most of the fat, leaving about 2 tablespoons in the pan. Now, add your finely diced onions to that flavorful fat. Sauté them gently until they become translucent and sweet, scraping up any delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan as they cook. Next, return your crispy bacon to the pan with the softened onions. Pour in the half cup of brewed coffee, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Stir everything together well. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens into a jam-like consistency. Once your bacon jam has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Transfer the cooled jam into an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy this versatile condiment with burgers, eggs, or even on a gourmet cheese board.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.